So we have this program called WinDirStat, and this will tell you what big files are being taken up on your computer. So first, once you have it open, select the drive that you wish to scan. So for instance, I have the C drive here, and then we go ahead and click on OK. And then what this will do, it will scan all the folders and all the files here on your system. And then after a few minutes, or depending on how big your drive is, you would get this nice little graphical representation of the size of the folders here. If you don't want to use this, you can use the top portion. So let us go ahead and click on users, and here we see that there is a file here under this particular user folder that's taking up a lot of space. So it's 69.5 gigs. So you can drill down further, and then you can kind of see again what's taking it up. This is my OneDrive file, so we have a lot of files there. And then you could go to the second one, and then you can continue on down until you can see which ones are taken up the most, and then you could either delete or save or move to a different drive if you wish. So that's how you use this tool called WinDirStat to see what sort of big files you have on your computer.